Hey everybody, what's up? This is Brett. I'm going to take you through my house a little bit on a little roundabout and take you around my house. I already said that. Okay. I'm going to go really old school on this video because I'm on my phone looking in the mirror at me like I'm in middle school taking a picture of myself to put in my MySpace background. Alright, let's go. Alright, we have a clock. Very fancy. It looks like it got caught in a crazy middle-aged fire. Pictures, TV, Bernie Mac, he's dead. Couch, computer, that's the computer, and I do stuff. Yes, America, I use a Mac. And this little dealio, in every way and every day, cherish family, friends, and traditions. I don't know, my mom put it up. I don't really know what it means. Be happy, I don't know. Hallway. My room. Very messy. Stars, put those up. Fan. Dean. My beautiful guitar. Not in the box that it was delivered in. Yeah. Purple panda. I love pandas. There's fluffy bottoms. And yeah. Went to the state fair in Lincoln a while ago when I had long hair and braces. She didn't want to put the zits because she thought that she didn't want to put anything like, I don't know what the word would be, nothing permanent, nothing not permanent. I don't know words right now. I wish I did. Here's the outside. Looks really good. Oh, that's a very alarming bug. Ooh, I'm gonna let that outside. You see it? That's a scary one. There's my doggy. It's Ellie. Hold on, Ellie. Let the big, scary fucking bug leave. No. Is it gone? No, it's just chilling out. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take care of that soon. Because I don't like big, scary bugs. There's a pineapple. I'll let you do that for a second. I'll get it centered so you can. Oh, jeez. Try to make it so you can watch me be a badass and go kill that thing. That is scary. Some risky business. Alright, got it. Now I need to find a very powerful. This'll do it. Whoa. That's big. Alright. I might just set it free instead. 1, 2, 3. Be free! Ah! Ugh. It's already 4 minutes long. Look at that thing. Get out of here. Yes, go. Be gone. Deathful thing. Jesus. Alright. I think I was hearing a weird buzzing sound for like 20 minutes. That thing was trying to get out of my house forever. That is... I don't like being stung. Alright, let's try to wrap this up, because it's a good 4 minutes long already. We're going to go out to where I make most of my videos. In the garage. I feel safe. No one laughs about my ways. In the garage where I belong. I just remembered. Weezer, the band, is going to be in Council Bluffs, Iowa, August 14th? 14th. That sounds about right to me. And I have to see that. If I'm working on that day, I'll be very pissed, knowing Weezer is 3 hours away from me. But yeah, this is just a longer than I anticipated video about just checking out my phone, seeing if I can go out to like the Dollar Tree to get that blowtorch me and Katie were talking about. And yeah, it's a major possibility now. Thank you. Stay classy.